For sale we have this 1971 Volkswagen Type 2, and this one holds a familiar presence here at Absolute VW as it belonged to one of our dedicated loyal customers who has given us the privilege of maintaining their pride and joy. No expense has been spared with the upkeep of this iconic Volkswagen, and now it's ready for new ownership. Now I'm going to quickly take you through some of its highlighting features. Beginning with the interior, which has undergone a comprehensive refurbishment. All seats and cushions are finished in a black basket weave vinyl. The vehicle's furniture includes a two-way fridge, a double gas hob, a sink, 13 amp plug sockets, front and rear built-in speakers and ample storage cupboards. The rear bench converts into a rock and roll bed, making this bay window ideal for weekend getaways. The exterior has seen an extensive restoration during its time, including a full respray in white over Sierra yellow. It is moderately lowered on a set of chrome Porsche gas burner wheels. The bodywork and underside are rock solid, showing no signs of rot. In 2015, we installed a hand-built, raw-speed 2110 turnkey engine with an external oil cooler with stainless steel oil lines. It also features a reconditioned steering box, and for those prioritising safety, it is equipped with a fuel safety shut-off solenoid and features a fire extinguisher system integrated into the engine bay. Mechanically, this bay window asks for nothing, and has all of the documentation to show for its superb service history. The vehicle is based here in our workshop in Shardlow, where viewings, test drives, ramp inspections are all welcome. If you want to find out more information about it, please head over to our website or just give us a quick call.